This is my redneck forge. My name is Ben Arlotta. I'm a customer service supervisor for Teton County Parks and Recreation, as well as an assistant wrestling coach. And I live in Jackson, Wyoming. I've been knife smithing for about 6 years now. And I got started making knives because a kid I was working with the Teton Mentor Project joined the Marines. He was going on his first combat deployment and he kept breaking his knife because he was a mortarman and they used him as tools. And I thought that a Marine going into battle with a knife he couldn't trust was a stupid problem to have, so I told him that I learned how to make them. So bought some books, bought some videos, looked at, watched a little bit of YouTube, got myself in plenty of trouble, and now we're banging out some finished pieces. It's my new passion. I definitely maintain a lot of hobbies. I hunt and I fish outside of coaching and work, and I really like the idea of being able to create tools with tools that I made for the hobbies that I participate in. And a couple of chefs in town, run a couple of my kitchen knives now, and it's just really neat to see tools that you made go to work, especially when it can apply to things that you enjoy doing a lot. I mean, I've got one right here that was a fighting knife, the first iteration of a fighting knife that I made for a sheriff's deputy here in town. I've done hatchets, tomahawks, I've done kitchen knives. I like to think my specialty is hunting knives. That's what I tend to use the most and what people want the most. So I do a lot more of those than anything else, but I've really been trying to dabble into the kitchen cutlery world the last couple of years. The other passion about as far as knives go extends past the metal work is also the finishing of the handles. I really enjoy working with the wood. I really enjoy working with exotic materials as far as the handle materials go. It's really neat to see. It's the second part of the discovery process. At first you're finding out where the metal wants to go, and then once you get past that part and you figure that out, you get to find out what the next piece of wood looks like and what it's going to reveal to you as you create that handle. And yeah, the entire process is really intriguing to me. And yeah, hopefully when people see my pieces, they see that intrigue come out in them. I make tools. I make pieces that I expect to be used. I want to see pictures of them from my clients that show them in use, out in the field or in the kitchen or something along those lines. I don't make collector's pieces. I don't make pieces that are going to sit up on a shelf. I don't believe in my knives collecting dust. If I make a knife pretty, I want to see it bloody. I want to see it, dirty. I want to see it covered in food or whatever the case is that knife was made for. I want to see it being used. That's what they're there for.